5, 6, 7, 8. We have slow. Slow swing's going to go forward on twist, quick, slow, slow, backwards, twist, quick, slow, slow. And you can start to mix this up with little turns, right? So this isn't a rule of the dance, but it's fun to juxtapose movement in some part of the dance. It could also happen on slow. I like quick, quick. So something happens on quick, quick, right? So quick, quick, side to side, something happens. Side to side, something happens, right? So add that idea to your dancing. It is super cute. So that's our basic step. We got our partner away to closed position, sorry, open position, right? So here we are in the swing section of the dance. This is our basic little pulse, but we added a stretch it out to it. Same footwork. Stretch it out, rock, step, stretch it out, right? We can kind of intersperse these as we like, right? We learned how to get into cuddle and out of cuddle. So rock, step, into cuddle, rock, step, raise the left. And then this was our little drill to get in and out of cuddle, right? Rock, step into cuddle, then rock, step, out of cuddle. Now to add a little flair, here's my favorite move. Rock, step, raise the left, then throw the right, then rock, step. And now we can start to get into a couple of other things, including the infinity spin. So let me point out the original spin. This is the original pattern. Here's the follow spin, here's the lead spin, and here's the follow spin. To change it up, Sam can trace my hand to get a double hand hold, trace spin. He did spin himself with his right. And then spin me again with his right. So it's a variation of that beginner pattern. We could then add the beginner pattern just to add a little flair, right? And then if we get a double hand hold, we can go into cuddle. Right, let's try that. So here's how we can mix up everything we've done today. And then maybe we get back into a double hand hold and stretch it out. Right. So lots of cool stuff, right? This is everything we've been over today. We did not get to a dip, so come back next week, we'll show you a couple of dips. But it might look something like this. What's your favorite dip, Sam? Yeah. Alright, yes. Alright, thank you so much for being here. I'm Vanessa, this is Sam. This is where to teach y'all.